Hey, I'm Richard, Head of Applications at P2i in the UK, and today I want to talk to you about our flagship Spalsh-proof technology. When Xiaomi reached out to us and explained their vision towards creating a flagship smartphone, we started working on a solution that gives your phone an unrivaled lifetime protection. Spalsh-proof technology helps with repelling any liquid that comes near, which ensures that your smartphone is fully protected. We brought our flagship Spalsh-proof protection together with Xiaomi's improved hardware design, which we have verified here in our UK labs, so that your Redmi K20 or K20 Pro is truly ahead of the curve.